If you've opened Canva and the whole interface looks like it's been written by a teenager, Photomaxxing, brain dumps, Docsies, math but cute, don't worry, you haven't been hacked and Canva hasn't had a stroke. You've accidentally turned on a hidden joke language. I'm going to show you what it is and how to fix it in about 30 seconds. Here's what's happening. You open Canva and instead of normal menu items like presentations, documents, whiteboards and websites, you're seeing something like main character arc, Docsies, brain dumps and URL policies. The header says start cooking instead of create a design. Photo editing is called Photomaxxing. Print products are inky stuff. Graphs and charts are math but cute. And email templates are vintage DMs. It's completely unusable if you don't speak fluent internet. But the fix is dead simple. Canva has a hidden language setting called English Chronically Online. It replaces all the normal menu labels with Gen Z internet slang. It's like how Facebook used to have a parrot language option, or how Google Translate has Klingon. It's an Easter egg. The problem is that Canva asks you to pick a vibe when you first sign up. If you picked Chronically Online thinking it was a personality quiz or something fun, it actually changed your entire interface language, and it's not obvious that that's what has happened. Let me translate the main ones for you. Main character arc means presentations. Photomaxxing means photo editing. Inky stuff means print products. Docsies means documents. Brain dumps means whiteboards. Math but cute means graphs, charts. URL policies means websites, and vintage DMs means email templates. I'll be honest, math but cute did make me laugh, but it's not exactly helpful when you're trying to get work done. Here's the fix. It takes 30 seconds. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of Canva. Click Account Settings. Find the language option. It'll say English Chronically Online. Change it to plain English. Click Save. That's it. Canva goes straight back to normal. All your design, templates and projects are exactly where you left them. Nothing changes except the menu language. If you're on the Canva app, same idea. Tap the menu icon or your profile picture. Settings, then language. Change it from Chronically Online to English. Or you can just go to canva.com/settings in your phone's browser and change it there. This works on any device. Here's a bonus tip. Now that you know this setting exists, it's the perfect office prank. If your coworker leaves their computer unlocked, open their Canva, go to Settings, Language, and switch it to English Chronically Online. Then watch them try to find presentation when it says main character arc. It's completely harmless, nothing gets deleted or changed except the labels. And it's absolutely hilarious watching someone try to navigate Photomaxxing with a straight face. Quick recap. Canva looking weird with Gen Z slang. It's a joke language called Chronically Online. Fix it, settings, language, change to English, done. You probably picked it by accident during sign up and now you know it exists, so feel free to use it. Shortest fix on the channel. One setting, 30 seconds, done. Drop a comment if you accidentally selected this too.